Today I'm going to talk about the Greenbrier Body Relaxing Bath Salts. And this is vanilla scented. And this is basically to enhance your bath time experience. You add it to your bath and it makes everything more soothing and relaxing. And I add these to my bath, I add these bath salts in when I need to relax after a long day. Say I'm really stressed out and it's just been a while since I've taken a bath and I need a treat. I will treat myself to these bath salts. They come in this clear plastic jar with this black twist-off lid. The bath salts themselves are white. They're kind of clear white. They look like salt for real. They just look like big chunks of salt. So I guess that fits what they are. But they do make them in different colors, so keep that in mind. The vanilla one looks like this. They really remind me of tiny little crystal quartz gravel. They smell so good. They smell just like vanilla, and they even smell better when you put them inside the bathtub. So when they're actually working their magic, that's when they smell the best, which is great because sometimes it smells so good and then it kind of lets you down when you get in the bathtub and you realize that the smell isn't actually there. So it does make a difference, which is very nice. I usually add them to my bath right after I filled it up. A lot of the time people add bath salts to their bath while they're filling it up, but I find that it works a lot better and it's just more rewarding overall when I add them once it's filled up and then I step inside. And they do dissolve fairly quickly, so it's not like you feel little salts everywhere underneath you while you're in a bath. So just keep that in mind if you're afraid of that. You don't need to leave them in for a really long time. When you've had a stressful day, these are like the best. My skin also feels really soft afterwards, so the effect that it has on your skin is actually really surprising. A lot of these are just for the effect of your bath time, but these actually leave your skin feeling a lot better than when you first got in there. So it relaxes your muscles, makes your skin feel nice. Yeah. There is a lot in here. Obviously, I've used a bunch, and my boyfriend uses this too, but it is 17.6 ounces when you get it, and I have not replaced it. I only use it from time to time. I bought this about 6 months ago, so it's been a while. I don't use this every day, take my time with this, and I'm very moderate with the amount I put in my bathtub. And so I've not replaced it, and I only use it from time to time. They also have rose and lavender scents, and they're great gift ideas. I've actually given this as a gift to someone once before, so I would consider that. It's a fairly large container, so sometimes it's nice, as a goodie bag type thing, where you take some of this out and you ration it into little containers and give it to people. And especially when you combine the rose and the lavender ones, it's just really nice, and it looks really pretty. They don't change the color of the bath water, which is a concern a lot of people have. It's a great gift for a couple because it's a good size. And they also sell the 3 scents together, which is also a nice gift. So look into that. I don't travel with it. It's really too bulky. I mean, it's a pretty, bulky thing. I could put it in a little bag and take it with me, but it's not really worth the space in my suitcase, if you ask me. And I keep mine in my bathroom with my other, bathing supplies. It is great for just a long day and relaxing. I know I keep saying relaxing, but it's just such a great thing to add to your bath. Do not let kids near it. It's not something that kids should be eating or, playing with. It's still a chemical, and it works best with a really hot bath, not boiling, but one where it's really hot, so you have to kind of take your time to get into. I never used to use bath salts before this, so this kind of really changed my mind about them. It does not sizzle, it melts. Greenbrier is the company that makes it, and they make a lot of different objects and products that aren't just limited to bathing. They have a lot of different products. And I only use 1 cup per bath, so don't pour the whole thing in there. I usually actually use less than that because I don't think I need all that, and my bathtub is not that big. So just do what you feel is right, and make sure you don't sit in it for over 20 minutes. They claim that it's not a good idea, so I kind of listen to that. I rinse off afterwards and relax, and then I can recycle the container, but I'll probably use it again when it's like empty for my own things. It's a nice jar. It is made in China. Definitely try these out if you're into this. Thank you so much for watching this video.